Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix message could not be sent on Messenger. So guys, if you are using iPhone or other device and when you want to send any voice message or text message on your Messenger and facing this type of issue that message could not be sent. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings first, and after opening your settings you have to click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if you have not any Wi-Fi, you have to go back and turn on your mobile data and make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network on your device. And now you have to scroll it down, click on general. From here you have to scroll it down, click on VPN and device management. So guys, from here you have to check if you have connected any VPN. Simply you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. As you can see, here is the option of reset network settings. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And now you have to go back, and after this you have to open your app store, and if you're using Android phone you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Messenger. So guys, after searching your Messenger, here you have to click on your Messenger app and update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update you need to go back again and click on your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage and scroll it down. From here you have to find Messenger app, click on your Messenger app and click on offload app. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys, when you have reinstall again, then guys all the bugs will be fixed and your problem also will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.